Enuani people are Igbo-speaking people who dwell upland west of the River Niger in what is now Aniocha North, Aniocha South, Oshomili North, and Oshomili South local government areas of Delta State, Nigeria. This area, once under the colonial administration as a Asaba division, is home to two intimately related groups, Aniocha, literally meaning white land people, and Oshomili, the riverine dwellers. Anthropologists Forge and Jones, writing in 1950, described them collectively as Enuani, meaning highland people. The name is not random. It comes from Igbo words, Enu, meaning up or high, and Ani, meaning land, a nod to the elevated terrain compared to neighbors. And here's an interesting cultural detail in Enuani tradition. Places are often named after their geography, just as Enuani means upland dwellers. Their neighbors in the south, the Okwani, proudly call themselves lowland people. Geographically speaking, Enuani territory is like a cultural crossroad. To the west lies a caste civilization.